Alrighty, what is up, gamers? We're back with another Rate video. I'm gonna make our own Smash Bros. Tier list. So this is our categories. We have plant, good men, bad men, fishing, fun but obese, the boys, Mario stop, not cool men, Yosh, old men, Zelda sequel, you know, Breath of the Wild, freaking 2. So we're gonna start. Clearly, plant category. Just plant category. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Good men. Well, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Inkling is a man, for sure. For sure. Olimar, yeah, fine, you're good, man. I don't know. Let's look at this list. No. The boys. No, fun but obese. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so Bayonetta. Well, this is hard. Bayonetta. You are in the category. Bowser, not Ganondorf. Bowser. Oh, fishing. Yeah, no, you're good. The boys, for sure. Ganondorf. Oh, God. The boys, no. Bowser Jr. Oh, God. Old men, for sure. Old men. Captain Falcon. Go home. There you go. Okay. Cloud. Zelda sequel, for sure. I mean, he clearly looks like Zelda. Corrin. Bad men, for sure. Diddy Kong. I'm gonna move you, not cool men, and also Diddy Kong. Donkey Kong. Okay, we got, Yoshi. No, old men, you're old. Dr. Mario, Zelda sequel, for sure. Duck Hunt. Go home. Falco. No, bad men, bad. Fox McCloud, that one, the boys. Greninja, no, old men. Ice Climbers, for sure. For sure, plant. Let's see, Ike. Yosh category, for sure. I don't even know. Go home. Yeah, go home category, for sure. Go home. Isabelle, fishing, for sure. Jigglypuff, Plaff. Old men. You're old men. Old men. Joker. Well, clearly plant. King K. Rool. Fun, but no, he's not obese. Plant. Oh, fun but obese, for sure. Kirby. Fun but obese. Zelda. Not Lake. Yeah. Fun but obese. Lucario. Go home. Lucas. Zelda sequel. Luigi. Oh, hold up. Just got it. There we go. Luigi's Mansion. We have our Luigi's Mansion 3 roster right here. We got Luigi, Mario, Peach, Polterpup. Oh yeah. Yeah, for sure. You're goat. No, you're not in that game. You're in this game too. Luigi's Mansion 3 roster right here. I feel like I'm missing someone. Yep, Luigi's Mansion 3. There we go. Okay, that row's done for sure. Right, you're Marth. Marius Stop. Also Lucina. Actually, we're gonna call this Marius. Actually, we're gonna call this Fire Emblem category. Yep, Fire Emblem. Mega Man. No, actually, you are bad men. Meta Knight. Cool men. You're not cool. Mii Fighter. Hello, I forgot. Luigi's Mansion 3. Other Mii Fighter plants. Other Mii Fighter fishing. Mr. Game & Watch Yoshi category. Ness. Fire Emblem. Of course, you're in Fire Emblem. Pac-Man. Fun but obese. Palutena. This was gonna be serious. We need a serious category. Hold up, we gotta add another one. I'm sorry. YouTube. Yeah, sure. YouTube poop. Yeah, okay. Palutena. There we go. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Old men, old men, old men. Rosalina. The boys, the boys. Bowser. Fox. Rosalina. Just child. You're plant for sure. Pikachu. Ah, good men, good men, good men. Pit. YouTube poop. Dark Pit. You're actually better than your edgy brother, so no, you're YouTube poop. Sorry, you're a Zelda sequel. Piranha Plant. You're obese. You're in the fishing category, and we've got Yosh. Go home. And YouTube poop. There we go. Ridley. Ridley. The boys, for sure, the boys. Robin, no one cares about. Go home, Robin. No one cares about. Roy. Roy is a little better. He's in the Zelda sequel. Actually, you're old men. Oh, Chrom, Zelda sequel, for sure. Ryu, I mean, no, not Ryu. Ken. Wait, no, that's Ken. Oh, shoot, Ryu. Yosh category. Metroid Prime Trilogy. It's Batman, I don't know. Sheik. Fire Emblem. Shulk. Zelda sequel. I mean, they fit in line. Actually, you're in Fire Emblem because you look like you're from it. Simon. Actually, you're good men. And Richter, you're clearly so much worse. You're in the category. Solid Snake, plant category for sure. Sonic, you're in the good men. Good men. Toon Link, oh, bad men, actually. There we go, that, boom, makes it better. Villager. Wario, fat man, you're, oh, fun, no, you're not even fun, just, there. Wolf, good men. There we go. Boys, for sure, for sure. Young Link, you're young YouTube poop, just like all the freaking 12-year-olds watching this video. Let's see, Zelda, you can go down to, Zelda. Ah, this is the last one. This is a hard. Fun, but obese, for sure. So this is my tier list. There we go. This is my tier list. It's perfect. I mean, some of my favorite. I mean, clearly Snake is plant. The boys. That's a very special category. So this is my tier list. Feel free to copy this off and call it your own because it's clearly perfect. I went and evaluated through all these options very, very carefully. Yeah. So, if only we could. Let's see. So I gotta save a photo of this clearly. So I'm just